Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I prepare this simple 10-minute sponge cake. It's very easy. If today is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new videos. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video. Feel free to share to your friends and also feel free to ask questions. Let's start. If you want to measure your eggs, it's still okay. Measure 250 grams. I try measuring mine and I notice 5 is equals to 270 grams. I don't want to waste the remaining, so I have to use the 270 grams. That's equals to 5 eggs. So I'll be using 5 eggs for this. You can see, to add this one now, it takes us to 270. I can reduce, almost 277. I can reduce, so I have to use all. But if you want to measure and reduce, no problem, but I don't want to waste the egg. If you're afraid of creaming your batter till it's fluffy, you don't have a mixer, you don't have a standing mixer, you've been finding it difficult, try this recipe. You'll thank me later. You don't need to cream more, just cream up to 5 minutes. With your sugar, you are good. Add everything. This one is all in one bowl sponge cake. Very easy. No time to whisk egg, no time to do this one. Just try it. You will thank me later. It's also yummy. This recipe is superb. Try and thank me later. As you can see, I'm done creaming this batter. I'm done. So it's time to mix my baking powder with my flour. Mix a tablespoon of baking powder with your flour. That's 250 grams of flour. Mix together, you sieve together and set aside. start preheating your oven at next time, grease your pan with butter and dust with flour. I'm going to use 4 inches pan, 4 of it. Pour into all your pans. Tap on the table to close up air bubbles. Stretch to the oven. Bake for 15 minutes. Our cake is ready. You can see how spongy it's looking. This cake is the easiest you have ever seen. Don't forget to like my video. Feel free to comment and feel free to ask questions. If you're new, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video. To my old subscribers, thank you so much. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.